it is just flowing right over top of our driveway, which is going to be a real problem at some point. We're going to end up digging out and hopefully preventing it from washing under the cement, because it's eventually going to undermine that driveway. So the gray pipe there is conduit we put around our water line, and the water you see gushing around it is not the water line leaking. That's our pond being drained through the culvert pipe that you can just barely see down there, which I think actually was some old round tanks they cut holes in the ends of. But that gushing water is where we found and cleared the end of it. We got new teeth on the bucket there too. Tiffany's having a good old time. I think whatever we just got was the big one, because it's filling up the hole over here. And we've got a pretty good bucket fountain going on there too. Oh, look at this. I don't know if you can see the whirlpool. Now we're moving some water. Harry, tell them about the water. Tell them about the water. That is a lot of water. That's fine. Now you can see a whirlpool starting on the surface. We're moving a ton of water, which is good because it's getting that backup from up there, the backup from over here where our burn pile was getting soaked from all the trees over in there. Look at it go. The mini tornado. Will be drained in no time. There sure is. That was it. This is what happens when your entire yard is made of rocks. Get the water bubbling up out, because most of this water runs underground. So here's where we're at a few months later. We're all dug out. The water is kind of a little stagnant in here, so we are going to have to do some more to get it moving so we don't have mosquitoes and stuff. But as far as the other side of our driveway, we've got our own private gravel pit now from everything that's washed down, but nothing is backed up. Before, you could see it was backed up way over into here and way back up into here, and now it has drained down really nicely, so it's a lot better. We are going to have to clean out some of this trench, and as we get to building the shop, these trees are going to come down, and so are these, most likely, to give us a little more space to get around everything. But it's turned out pretty good. We tried to kind of level out right here at the side of the driveway and taper it. We may end up trying to extend this out a bit or something, so that if anybody comes and turns with a trailer, they're not falling into there. So we're going to do that at some point, but for now, this is a big step up, and let me get over here and I'll show you the end of the culvert pipe, as we call it. But as you can tell, I'm pretty sure that that's a steel tank of some kind that the end has just been cut out of. But regardless, now we've got it opened up at least a little bit better, so the water flows through and it's not flooding out our concrete and undermining that. So that's a big improvement in my book. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.